Hi everyone, this is Julie and welcome for our activity number 6. And this activity number 6 was about geometric design. We have 4 assigned topics and those are geometric thinking theory, transformation, the psychology of shape, and lastly is the geometric pattern. Today we will show you how this is important in our life true to our scenario. Our objectives are to demonstrate our understanding about different types of geometric design. Second is to analyze and describe the properties of geometric. And lastly is to share our strategies for mentally visualizing and manipulating geometric design. What is geometric design? Geometric design is a type of visual design incorporate geometric shapes and patterns. Geometric thinking theory is a branch of mathematical education that to understand the cognitive process involved in geometric reasoning and problem solving. It focuses on the spatial reasoning and visual thinking and geometric intuitions and how these skills are related to mathematical understanding and problem solving abilities. Hi Onin, how are you doing with a geometric unit?
I'm okay, Mom, I guess, but I'm having a hard time providing some of concept without learning about.
That's understandable. Geometry is a challenging because it is require a lot of spatial reasoning and visualization skill. But don't worry, we can work on developing those skills together. Let's start with a simple exercise.
What do you have in mind?
I'm going to show you a pictures of geometric object and I want you to describe what you see. So here is the picture.
Cube the teacher desk. This cube it has 6 trays, 8 verticals, and 12 each.
Good job! And now I want you to visualize the cube in your mind and tell me again what you see.
I see the demonstrational object with straight edge and right angle.
That's good start. Now let's imagine rotating the cube around its axis. What do you see?
It looks like a square but with the side sticking of different direction.
Excellent! You're starting to develop your geometric situation. Now let's move on for more challenging problem. This is a polyhedron with irregular faces and I want you to study it and tell me what you notice about the structure.
It looks like it has a lot of angle and vertical and face are not the same shape or size.
Very good. Now I want to imagine slicing a polyhedron in half with a plane. What do you think the cross sections could look like?
I'm not sure.
No problem. That's okay. Take your time and try to visualize it in your mind.
I think it will look like a polygon with irregular ideas.
Excellent! You're really starting to develop your geometric thinking skill. Keep practicing and you can get even better. You're welcome and next time I will teach you again more lesson about geometric thinking theory.
Thank you, Mom, for helping me.
In mathematics, transformation is a process or operation that changes the position, size, or shapes of geometric figures or objects. Good morning, class. Today we will learn about transformations. Can anyone tell me what transformation is?
Is it when you change the size or position of the shape?
That's right. A transformation is any change you can make to a shape. There's several types of transformations like translation, rotation, reflection, and dilation. So today we will first talk about translations. Like example, I will draw a triangle or I will put triangle in this board. Then I'm going to translate this triangle to the new location. So, tell me what types of transformations did I just do?
A translation.
Wow! You got a correct answer, class. Translations means to slide a shapes from one location to another without changing its shape or size. So now let's move on or let's talk about rotation. Okay class, example, I will put a square in this board. Then I'm going to rotate this in 90 degrees clockwise. So tell me what types of transformations did I just do?
A rotation.
Great job! Rotation means to turn a shape around fixed points. And that's just the beginning of what you can do with a transformation. Oh, it's already time, class. So tomorrow, let's talk about another several types of transformation. Thank you for listening and I hope you learn a lot from this topic. The psychology of shape is the study of how different shapes and form can affect human emotions, behaviors, and perceptions. Shapes can convey different meanings and emotions based on the size, colors, and context. Hi, thank you for meeting with me today to discuss your branding design. Can you tell me a bit more about your company and what you're looking for?
We're a startup that provides eco-friendly products. We want our branding to be more modern, clean, and memorable.
Great! I think I have a good idea of what you're looking for. I was thinking of a combinations of using green and blue colors for those are open, associated, and natures and cleanliness. And for your shape, I was thinking of a circle and curves to convey a sense of harmony and inclusiveness.
Can I ask for some example? Because it sounds interesting.
Sure, I have some example of sketch like this, and this. For example, here is a logo design I came up with. It features circular shape with a leaf design inside which is represent your eco-friendly focus. The blue and green color create calming and natural feel and the rounded engine.
I like it, but can we make it a little bit modern?
Sure, I can play with the simple different font styles and different line weight to make it look more contemporary. How about this sketch?
Yes, this is much better. I like to use the negative space to create a sense of movement and energy. It still conveys the sense of cleanliness and nature with more modern twists.
I'm glad you like it. Remember, the use of shapes and color can have a big impact on how people perceive and remember you're using circle and curves are convey harmony. Hey guys, I'm so excited to show you how to create a cool geometric pattern with a watercolors. All we need is some paper, brush, and some water paints.
That sounds fun. I never worked with watercolors before.
Don't worry, it's easy. First, we're going to draw some geometric shapes on our paper. You can use square, triangles, or any shapes you like.
What kind of color should we use?
That's up to you. You can use any colors you like. I'm going to use some blue and greens for mine. So we can start draw shapes for our paper. Next, we're going to start painting. Dip your brush in some water, then paint. Then starting painting inside your shapes. You can use one color per shapes or mix color together to create a grind.
Whoa, this is so cool. I love how the color blends together.
Yes, watercolor are great for blending, and geometric shapes can give painting a really cool textures.
I'm having so much fun with that scan. Let's keep going.
Of course, you can add more shapes and color to create a really intricate pattern. So we will continue our painting. Wow, these are all turning out so great.
Yeah, this is really fun. I think I like to try making more geometric patterns using this watercolor.
Me too. Thanks for showing us how to do it.
Anytime, geometric patterns are a great way to add visual interest to your art, and watercolors are very fun and easy medium to work with.